Now next part, factorize by splitting middle term. So a polynomial, quadratic polynomial of the standard form. Standard form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. X square term must be there, x term and c term. Can be factorized by splitting middle term. Now first you should know to write factor means what? Now see, what are the factors of 10? You say it is 2 into 5. Isn't it? Means to write the factor means to write in the multiplication form or product form. Write a factor of 6. What you write? 2 into 3. So this product form, that is what? To write in product form means to write the factors, isn't it? Then you write the factors of 6 are 2 and 3, isn't it? So to write this polynomial, to factorize this means to write this polynomial in multiplication form or product form. Now here there is no product form now. Plus, plus. There are three different terms, isn't it? Now what you to do here? You see observe the last constant term C. What is that? Plus 6. So and what is the middle term? Plus 5x means plus 5. We have to find a pair of two numbers like that. Their multiplication will be equal to the last term, that is plus 6. And addition should be plus 5. Now there will be so many pairs which will give you multiplication 6. Now being 6 the smaller number, there will be few. But big numbers are there, you may have so many pairs. But at the same time, the second condition, the sum should be equal to middle term. That is important. Now 6, suppose you get 1 into 6, multiplication 6. Now if you add them, what is the addition? 7. And we want addition what? 5. Multiplication should be 6, at the same time addition should be 5. Now I shall write second pair which will give you product 6. 2, 3 now. You take both positive. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. Now 3 into 2 plus 6. 3 plus 2 plus 5. So both conditions are satisfied. So this pair we shall take here now, and we shall write this pair by attaching x, multiplying x to both the terms. Means what? 2x plus 3x and plus 6. Say 2x plus 3x. How much? Finally it is 5x. So we have kept the same expression, only we have divided this 5x into two parts. So that after adding you get the 5x. This 3x you can write here and 2x you can write here. Okay. So that is equal to, now this is one part, this is one part. X square plus 2x. What is common? Now see, x square plus 2x. To find x square means x into x. Plus 2x means 2 into x. Now we have both sides, x is the common. So if you take x common, what is remaining? Here x remains plus here 2 remains. So we have to take common here now. X square plus 2x. So x is common. 1 here x will remain. X into x we get x square plus 2. Whatever bracket in common in first bracket, you should write in the second bracket immediately. Now this x is common from these three x. So x into how much will give you 3x? X into 3. So put here 3 and this plus sign. Now this is one vector C, common. Write that first. X plus 2. And x and plus 3 here, you write that in second bracket. Now you see, x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now here multiplication sign come. So we have written the factors of this polynomial. Okay. Now I shall give you second example. So x square plus 9x plus 20. Now what is the last term here? Plus 20. So we have to find a pair of two numbers such that multiplication equal to last term, that is plus 20, addition should be equal to middle term, that is plus 9. So first let us write the pairs which give us multiplication 20. 1 into 20, 20. You get them. It is not 9, so we cannot use this. 2 into 10 will give you 20. What is addition? Plus 12. We want 9. 3 into 3 table will not contain 20. Then 4 into 5. See, 4 by the 20. And both you add them, how much? Plus 9. So that is x square plus here attach x to this and write 4x plus 5x plus 20. Now you see 4x plus 5x, 9x. So that is called splitting middle term. Okay. Now this is one part, here another. Now x square plus 4x. What is common? X square means x into x. Here into x. So one x we get common. And what is remaining here now? X. Because x into x, we get x square. Plus here x is already common, 4 remains. So you write this x plus 4 here second. So this x common from 5x. So x into how much gives you 5? 5x. So x into 5. And put here this plus sign. So this is common now. X plus 4 into x plus 5. Okay. Then I shall give you now one more example. X square minus 3x minus 10. Now, which is the last term here? Minus 10. So we have to find the pairs of the numbers which will give us the product minus 10. And at the same time, what is the addition now? Middle term coefficient of x is minus 3. Minus 3 should be addition. So first pair which will give you product minus 10 is 1 into 10. Now here we should know how to attach the sign, because in earlier both cases all the plus sign were there. What is addition? Addition should be minus 3. So now you know that plus 8 minus 2 how much? Plus 6. Minus 8 plus 6. What is the answer? You write this minus 2. So in addition, answer will have always sign of the greater number, isn't it? Now see, we have written the pair 1 into 10 because we want multiplication 10. And what should be addition? Minus 3 means in pair greater number will be negative. So if addition is negative, in pair in greater number you attach negative sign. If this is plus sign, no middle number, you attach plus sign to the greater number. Okay. Now yes, addition is minus, we have taken greater number minus. Product should be how much? What is the sign? Minus. So negative into which sign gives you minus? Negative into plus. So smaller number will be positive now. This will now in every pair, greater number will be minus, smaller number will be plus. 1 minus 10. Difference is minus, not minus 3. So go for second pair. 2 into 5. So 5 is greater. Attach here minus. Attach here 2 minus 5. How much? Minus 3. So this pair will. So x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 10. See, 2x minus 3x is this minus 3x. Now, what is common here? X. So what is remaining? X plus 2. Put straightway x plus 2. It is my 5x. So x multiplied by 5 and this is minus sign. See, minus 5 into x minus 5x. Minus 5 into plus 2 minus 10 over. So this is now common, right? First. And this non-common you write in second bracket. Okay. I shall give you one more example now. X square minus 2x minus 24. Now what should be the product? Last term minus 24. So first pair 1 into 24. Now we have to attach the sign. the greater number will have sign of middle number because addition minus. So minus, this is plus. So this difference is not minus 2. Go for next pair. 2 into how much gives you 24? 2 into 12. So plus minus. Difference is minus 10. We want 3 into 8. 3 are 24. What is the difference? 3 minus 8 minus 5. 4 into 6. What is the difference? 4 minus 6 minus 2. So we shall take now this pair. Okay. So now x square plus 4x minus 6x minus 24. What is common here? X. So what is remaining now? X plus 4. Put here straight away x plus 4. And this is 6x. So x multiplied by 6 will give you 6x and this minus. That is now, this is 1. X plus 4 and this non-common into second bracket. So, like this. I shall give you still more example now. X square minus 9x plus 20. Now what should be the product? Plus 20. Last term plus 20. So first pair 1 into 20. So of course now greater number 20. Sign of middle term is, means addition is minus 9. So greater number is negative. Now we have to attach the sign to the smaller number. Product sign is plus. So minus into which sign gives you plus? Minus into minus. Now both will be minus. Minus 20 minus 1. Minus 21. We want minus 9. 2 into 10. Now in all pair, both will have negative sign. So minus 10 minus 2. How much? It becomes minus 12. 3 into no pair. 3 does not divide 20. 4 into 4 5 half. Minus 4 minus 5. It is minus 12. So now x square minus 4x minus 5x plus 20. So this is one part. See, minus 4x minus 5x. So totally it is minus 9x. So now that is x we take. What is remaining here now? X minus 4. Here, put here directly x minus 4. It is 5x. So x into 5. This is minus. So this is common now. X minus 4. And here it is x minus 5. These are the factors. I shall give you still more example now. X square minus plus 4x minus 32. Now we have to find what is the last term now? Minus 32. Product should, that sign is important, remember. Now, first pair 1 into 32. First we have to attach sign to the greater number in the pair. Sign of which term? Sign of middle term. The addition should be plus 4 now. So greater number will be plus. Multiplication minus, so 1 plus 1 minus. Second will be minus. So 32 minus 1, it is not plus 4. 2 into how much? 32, 16. If you don't know the table, what you have to do? If you want a pair of 2, 32 divided by 2, you have to do whatever answer comes, you write here. Then this is plus minus. Difference is not plus 4. 3 into 3 will not divide 32, so no pair. 4 into 4 8. This is plus, smaller minus, 8 minus 4, plus 4. So we have to take this pair. So x square minus 4x plus 8x minus 32. So this is one part. What is common here? Yeah. Immediately write x minus 4 and it is 8x, so put here 8, x into 8, 8x and this plus sign. What is first common factor? X minus 4, and this x and non-common, and here it is common x here, and here what is common x? Though both you have to put in the second bracket. O1. So still I will give you one more now. X square minus 4x minus 16. What should be the product now? Product should be minus 16. And what should be the addition? Minus 4. So first pair 1 into 16. First we have to attach sign to greater number. Sign of who? Middle term. Addition should be minus 4 now. So greater number will be minus. Multiplication negative. So minus into smaller will be plus. In all pair, greater number negative now, smaller will be positive. Difference minus 59. We want 4. So this will not work. 2 into 60 divided by 2, you will get 30. Not difference minus 4. 3 into 20. Then 4 into, if you want to find a pair, what will do? 60 divided by 4. 4 1 tha 4. 2 remain 4 5 tha. 15 4 tha. Is the difference minus 4? No. 5 into 12. That give 12 5 tha 60. Greater number negative. Difference is not minus 4. So 6 into 10. This is minus, this is plus. Now see, difference minus 4. So we shall take this pair now. So attach x to this and write here. So x square plus 6 here minus 10 here minus 60. Now what is common here? X. X plus 6. Right here x plus 6. And what is here? Minus 10. So this is now common. X plus 6, and this x and this minus 10 will be in second bracket. So this is how factorize the quadratic polynomial in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Only when the coefficient of x square is 1. I have given you the example. Here there may be 2x square, 5x square, 3x square. Then there is little changes there. Okay. So I shall give you few examples to factorize. So all you solve. Okay. These examples are for practice.